Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your iPhone 11 runs iOS 13 or later and has more than 20% battery. This ensures True Tone is available and stable. Once done, remove any case that might cover the front sensors and wipe the screen and camera area so ambient light detection is accurate. Now open Settings and tap Display and Brightness. That's where True Tone lives and where you'll flip it on right away to begin calibration. You toggle True Tone on in Display and Brightness and then watch the screen carefully. You'll notice the white balance shift immediately as the system adapts. Once it's enabled, move to a warmer light source then to a cooler one. This tests responsiveness and shows why True Tone matters. It reduces eye strain and keeps colors natural in different environments. Make sure to observe text clarity and skin tones. If they look off, continue with the next verification steps. You finish by verifying True Tone under several real-world lights and confirm it stays active. If the toggle won't engage, first restart the iPhone and try again because many sensor glitches clear on reboot. Once done, if color shifts are still incorrect, reset all settings as a last software step. This keeps your data but clears settings. If problems persist, contact Apple support or visit a store, since faulty ambient light sensors require.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.